Creating a pool. The beauty of Beethoven X is the limitless flexibility you have with pool types. It's so flexible you can actually create your own pool. Up to 8 tokens with any weighting you want as long as it adds up to 100. Simply click on the Invest tab and click Compose a Pool. In the Pool Composer, an investment pool can be created with between 2 and 8 tokens. The weight should add up to 100%, and initial balances should be in line with your weights or the pool will get drained. You must ensure that you invest with the same weightings you set. If not, the pool will instantly be out of balance. An example using the default tokens below is that if I want to create a pool that's 50% USDC and 50% WFTM, I have to ensure that the tokens I deposit are going to be of equal value. So if I'm putting in 25 USDC, I have to figure out what that amount is in WFTM in terms of value and deposit that as well. Otherwise, the pool will instantly be out of balance and will be drained. Now I'm going to show you how to actually make your own pool. First, you must decide on your pool name, the pool symbol, and the swap fee. I'm going to name this pool Beat of the Sea, and the pool symbol will be Beat C. I'm going to change the swap fee percentage from 0.25 to 1. The swap fee determines the portion of fees that a user forgoes every time they swap with the assets within the pool. Higher fees mean more swap rewards flowing to liquidity providers. Lower fees mean more efficient swaps for users. Now we have to decide on the tokens we want and their respective weights. Remember, you can use up to 8 tokens and any weights as long as they add up to 100%. For this example, the pool is going to be composed of USDC, Beats, and Liquid Driver token. To do this, I have to select those tokens from the drop-down menus and also remove WFTM from the list using the garbage can on the right side. Now I have to select the weights. I want to make this pool 20% USDC, 40% Beats, and 40% Liquid Driver token. Now is the critical time. Remember, the initial balances need to be in line with your weights or the pool will get drained. What you definitely do not want to do is set the balances to maximum whatever you have in your wallet, because that does not reflect the weightings that you chose earlier. To keep the math simple for this example, I'm going to do a total pool value of about 100 USD. So that means that if USDC is 20% of the pool, I have to change the number from 25 to 20, because 20% of the pool is going to be USDC. What that also means for the remainder is that I have to figure out how much is 40 USD of Beats and 40 USD of Liquid Driver. To do that, I'm going to open up a new window, make sure you don't close your original one, and I'm going to be using Beethoven X swap section as a calculator to figure out how much that is. So I'm going to put in 40 USDC, find out how much the value of that is in Beats, and the same thing for Liquid Driver, write down those numbers and insert them into the pool creator. That means I'm going to change the amounts that I had before, which were just my max balances. I'm going to change to 700.6 of Beats and 25.2 of Liquid Driver. Now that the pool is balanced, you might see a red warning at the bottom saying a token requires approval. So each token that you're depositing into the pool requires approval. Beats I've already approved in the past, but Liquid Driver I haven't. So click on that and you'll get the MetaMask pop-ups. Make sure you approve it. Go through the prompts, click on confirm, and it'll say approve pending in the bottom left-hand corner. That will just take a second for the transaction to clear. And once that's done, you'll get a confirmation in the bottom left-hand corner as well that the approve has been confirmed. Now you're ready to actually create the pool, and that requires 2 transactions, so make sure you scroll down to the bottom. First, you're going to click on create pool, and there's going to be a prompt that comes up with Ludwig. Ludwig says no rebase tokens, no tokens with transaction taxes, and your initial balances must align with your pool weights. When you're ready, click on Compose My Pool and go through the MetaMask stuff, click on Confirm, and that will just take a second to go through. Once it does, you'll see the pool contract address as well as the pool ID. The second thing we have to do is actually join the pool, which is depositing our funds into the pool. So click on the Join Pool button, and we're going to go through the MetaMask thing one last time. Click on Confirm, and once that's done, you will have your pool ready to go. If you want to see the pool you just created, click on the Take Me to My Pool button. And there you have it, the dashboard for the pool you just created, and it will obviously be updated with information as people use it for swapping between the different tokens. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any more questions, come into the Beethoven X Discord and the team will be happy to help. Thanks for watching.